I am garlic. I clean your pathways. Watch me remove the buildup. My power makes you strong from inside.
I am a deep-fried snack. I taste delicious, but I ruin you inside. Watch me block your pathways. Slowly, I make you lazy and weak.
I am a tomato. I take care of your heart. Watch me clean the pathways. My red power keeps you healthy.
I am an energy drink. I speed you up inside, but I tire you out. Watch me disturb your heart and nerves. Slowly, I drain your energy.
I am onion. I make your immunity strong. Watch me clean inside. My glow keeps you healthy.
I am packaged chips. I am crunchy, but I mess you up inside. Watch me block your paths. Slowly, I make you lazy and weak.
I am cabbage. I clean your gut. Watch me make you strong from inside. My green power keeps you healthy.
I am processed meat. I taste good, but I harm you inside. Watch me block your pathways. Slowly, I make you weak.
I am a carrot. I take care of your eyes. Watch me clear the blur. My orange power helps you see clearly.
I am a fast food burger. I taste good, but I become a burden inside. Watch me clog your pathways. Slowly, I make you tired and weak.
I am cauliflower. I make your immunity and gut strong. Watch me clean inside. My glow keeps you healthy.
I am alcohol. I feel strong inside, but I damage your liver and cells. Watch me make your body weak.
I am bell pepper. I make your immunity strong. Watch me make your cells healthy and active.
I am artificial fruit juice. I taste sweet, but I harm you inside. Watch me weaken your teeth and cells. Slowly, I steal your energy.
I am beetroot. I clean your blood. Watch me make your liver and cells strong. My red power keeps you healthy.
I am excess salt. I seem small, but I harm you inside. Watch me block pathways and weaken your cells.